This video will cover a brake flush on a 1982 Volvo 240 without ABS brakes while using a pressure bleeder. This can be completed over lunch. Start by lifting the front and rear of the car, place jack stands at the 4 mounting points, and remove your wheels. Open the hood and remove the master cylinder cap. Attach the cap adapter and fill your pressure container with 2 quarts of brake fluid. I went through about 1.5 quarts of oil during this process. For this, I am using ATE Type 200 DOT4 oil. Secure the cap to the container and pump to 15 psi. Starting with the driver rear brake, loosen the bleeder screw and attach your hose and collector. Let the brake fluid flow into your collector. Once you see clean brake fluid and no air bubbles and no foreign matter is present, tighten the bleeder screw so that it stops. But be careful to not over-tighten these screws as they are easy to break. Next, bleed the driver front top screw. The passenger front top screw. The passenger rear caliper. The passenger front outer screw. The passenger front inner screw. The driver front outer screw. And the driver front inner screw. Once you have completed bleeding the brake fluid through the calipers, relieve the pressure from the system by loosening the container top, then disconnect from the master cylinder. Double check your fluid level, refill as necessary, and replace the cap. Replace your wheels, lower your car, turn on your engine, and test your brakes. After that, you're all done. Enjoy your Volvo 240.